Pads, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Kylie Cosmetics and Balmain collection. I'm so excited to be doing this just because everything looks amazing. The packaging, the colors, the formulas, just everything. So I really just want to get started, so let's just jump right in. First I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Kylie and Balmain eyeshadow palette. Look at how beautiful and unique this packaging is. Now this collection dropped for Paris Fashion Week, and this packaging definitely screams like fashion, designer, luxury, really everything that Paris Fashion Week represents. And it's honestly so cool that she did a collab with Balmain because that's like genius. I love the inside packaging with the name. Then you slide it out and the palette looks like this. It does have a big mirror. I'm gonna take this little guy out. And then these shades are really pretty. This looks like it kind of got a little ouchy on it, but that's okay. But yeah, these colors look so amazing and the feeling of them is really, really, really pretty. So I'm gonna do like an eyeshadow tutorial, really dive into all these colors. But that's gonna be for after the rest of the unboxing. But let me just give you one good swatch. This model type formula shade looks amazing. Super pretty. So the shades are Close the Show, Model Type, Attitude, Main Event, City of Love, Night Out, Top Model, Catwalk, and PFW. Love these shades. They're such a unique combinations of shades, but I feel like I could do a lot with these. I'm feeling these purples and these golds, even this blue. Maybe I might do like blue under the waterline. That purple's super pretty. Lots of options. Okay, next is the lip kit. This lip kit is named Paris. Again, with the same design as the palette. That's really the whole collection theme. I love that. I love the design of this. The lip liner is so cool. I do like that it's a mechanical lip liner. That is kind of new for me from Kylie Cosmetics, so I really am excited to try this out. And just the overall total design of the lip liner is super cute, especially with the little bee with the cap. And then same for the lipstick, it does look like her normal packaging, except if you guys can tell, there is a pink cap, so that is super, super pretty. So yeah, this is the lip kit Paris. This is like a pinky mauve color, and the liner is like a nude brown shade. So that's gonna be like a really gorgeous ombre lip. I'm excited to try it out. So lastly, before we do try all these products out, is the high gloss. I have not actually tried any of her glosses, so I'm really excited. This one is Model Behavior. Ooh, super pretty. Again with the pink cap. I love that. Kylie times Balmain. Ooh, very, very liquidy. It looks amazing. It was super pigmented, super glittery. I love that. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this out because that will be a first for this channel. Yeah, looks super cute. I'm trying to see what kind of, how many fluid ounces are in these. Okay, 0.11 fluid ounce. So yeah, super cute. Perfect for like traveling. Love that. So yeah, now let's jump right into the actual reviewing of the product. Try to see which colors of the eyeshadow palette I want to use today. I like that it has a big mirror on it just because I don't need to use my normal one. I'm going to go into Main Event, and that is going to be just a base. Oh, it's a little darker than it looks on this palette. I'm going to have to put my hair back. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. I still haven't thought of a look I want to do, so I should probably figure that out. Okay, I think I'm going to just start off with taking Top Model and putting that in my crease and then build from there. These shades are so far easy to blend with and blend out. They are very pigmented. I like that. I'm only grabbing a little just because they are kind of very pigmented, but they look very nice and they lay very nicely. Okay, now I'm going to be taking Attitude, which is this like a lavender color. It looks very pretty. We're going to focus on cutting out the crease with that. Oh yeah, very bright and very pigmented. I love that. this is gonna look really, really pretty. There is a little bit of fallout, but all you have to do is tap tap. Super easy. Okay, next I'm going to be taking Catwalk. And we're going to be doing a little bit in the corner. This shade is very, very creamy. I do like that. We're basically just putting this in the corner slash mid lid, pulling it out and then dragging it back and forth. And then just for a little extra pop, I think I'm gonna take, do I take PFW or Model Type? Okay, I'm taking a little tiny bit of Night Out just to define the corners. I'm taking Close the Show, and I'm going to be focusing this right here and then connecting it to the catwalk. Just lightly patting. Oh, that's very pretty, very shiny. Just blend it in really quickly. I'm going to be taking City of Love, and I'm going to be doing that under my waterline just to see what it does. Okay, so I just did the eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I really love this look. I think it came together really, really nicely. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I really didn't clean it up. I guess I could have. But I think it looks really, really pretty. I love the contrast of the colors, the pink, the blues, the creams. It's just really, really pretty. So now let's dive right into the Paris lip kit. I almost forgot to put the liner on first, duh. So yeah, this is the brown liner. I don't know what I was thinking really quickly. This is a dark liner. You like it though. It's kind of a dark brown liner. I'm interested to see how it's gonna look with this like light pink shade. But it is very easy just to like glide on. I really liked the mechanical pencil. It is cute though. What do you guys think of the Paris lip kit? Let me know in the comments down below. But I think I like it. It's very unique. I would have never like put these two together. Just their contrasts are so different, but I mean it worked out and it looks really cute. At least I think so. I'm excited to see what you guys think in the comments down below. So now let's do the Model Behavior gloss. It's so creamy and it feels so smooth. I like it. It's very, very pretty. It does have high shine. There are some glitter flakes in it. Yeah, it's very, very pretty. I think if I applied more layers, it'd be very like glittery and glossy, but I think I like it like this just because my lips feel like super moisturized and hydrated, and I don't want to overwhelm my lips and make them sticky, because I feel like if I put too many layers on, it might get sticky. Not because it's the formula, just because that's what happens when you layer on lip glosses. But yeah, overall, I like. So yeah, this is the finished look. So yeah, pretty much I really liked all of these products. I think their quality is amazing. Like these, they feel so unique, like they feel extra creamy and extra moist, and they just glide on and blend so easily and evenly, which is a plus. So I really do like this entire palette, especially like all the color shades. Like they're so unique, and like you can just do so many looks that I'm really excited to like use this a lot from now on. And then the lip kit I was actually really surprised by, just because Like I said, these two colors I would have never put together, but honestly, I'm really digging this look. So I am delightfully surprised. But I mean, I should have known because she is the queen of the lip kits, so she always picks the best combos. This is definitely a really cute lipped combo. And then lastly, the Ultra Gloss in Model Behavior. By the way, I really like all the names for this collection. I think it's so cute, so fun, so Paris, and so Fashion Week, so I thought it was perfect. Anyways, I did like this gloss. There is some high shine to it. Really thought this was a really good gloss. So overall, this collection is bomb. This eyeshadow palette really has me shook just because like the pigment is bomb, the colors are bomb, and the glitter shades bomb. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing to the Sky family because every sky needs her clouds. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye clouds, I love you.